Alright guys, we got a good drop. So Rich kind of told me about it. Looks like they're pretty stacked, so pretty sure most of the goods or stuff that I need are maybe gone. But we'll check anyways. What do we have? Nothing there. Definitely don't need, so these are C-case. Ooh, there we go. I should have started at the top. Got the Mustang, I already have a couple of those. There we go, nice. Alright, where were we? Another Sierra, but we'll leave that for somebody because I don't need it. Definitely don't have that one. Alright, here's another BMW. Let's go ahead and move things down. Okay, nothing there, so let's go ahead and move on over. Ooh, another Chevelle. Don't need. Next row. Got that one. Let's see, quick glance. We got the Mach-E. Ooh, there we go. Don't have this one. Another McLaren. Don't need. It's the Cybertruck. It's the new Bone Shaker. Oh, there's the white Nissan. So that is that. Let's check the other side. Ooh, there we go. I see it already. Nice. Okay, oh my god. Look at all this. Okay, I do need that. Okay. Let's go ahead and bring this down. Let's see, Firebird, don't need. Another 57, definitely don't need. Alright, let's see, what did people leave behind? Let's go ahead and put these back in here. Don't need. C-case. There we go. Nissan Leaf. Don't need that one. Ooh, there we go. Got the Silverado. Don't need. Definitely don't need. Oh, there we go. Nice. Definitely don't need. Definitely don't need. Another 57. There we go. Nice new recolor. Don't need another Bugatti. Definitely don't need these. Really don't want to clean up after everyone, but ooh, nice. Cool. Take another one of these. Okay, so they got this series again. John Wick Taxi, that's funny. Ooh, Bronco R. There's that beauty. Let's see, what else do they have? Silverado. It's a black Supra. Ooh, but look at this. Oh, nice. And they have another one. Got the Lexus. Go ahead and grab one of each. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Oh, they have another one, so we'll put that up here in case somebody else wants that. Nice. Definitely want to give a shout out to Rich for the drop. Ooh, check out this new series. Got Flash. So you got Batman, Flash, Wonder Woman, Selena Kyle. It's pretty cool. So we did score some goodies. but this was probably about a week ago now. This bag has actually been sitting with me. I haven't gone over it with you guys because of the move, but this box right here, this has a hilarious but scary story with it. So this is actually from our man Trevor. He picked up the DeLorean monster truck for me, which I am super stoked. But while we were moving into this house that is sitting out here, I had a whole trailer full of boxes, had a tarp over it, and as we were driving down the road, the tarp rips, and this box, not knowing, just because my wife was behind me, she's the one that told me, but this box flew out of the trailer while on the highway. And yeah, we had to actually go back and try to find it, and luckily the only damage to the box was this. That is it. It landed in the grass off the highway, which is just wow, because the car that is in here I wanted so bad, and that would have been the worst one out of every box. This box right here from Trevor flew out, but luckily we went back, we found it, and it's safe and sound. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up just so we can get our eyes on this monster truck. Now this one is going to be number 2. Rich did score me one, so now I have 2 monster trucks. So to be fair, Trevor actually sent this one first, and then Rich found the other one, which I did buy off of him. So here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up and see this beautiful monster truck. Oh my god, what did he throw in here? I think you know who the Barbies are for. Awesome, my dude hooked it up for my daughter. Oh man, you didn't have to, but she's going to freaking love it. Hey! You got Barbie tennis. Look at that pose. That backswing though. Oh, my daughter's gonna love that. Trevor, man, I appreciate you. Check this out. Gymnastics one. There we go. My daughter's into dancing and doing all kinds of flips, and she thinks she's a gymnast already, so there you go. Feed the fire, man. But I definitely appreciate you sending these. She's gonna absolutely love those. And what did my dude? Yes! Oh my god. I'm so glad this box never got ran over. And 2, my dude threw in the freaking 2-pack. Look at that. 2021 RTR Spec 5. Look at that beautiful livery. Oh man, then of course you have the RTR Spec 5 right here, which was in its standalone card, which they threw in this 2-pack. Oh dude, this is freaking awesome, man. We have not seen these drop, and I have been dying. Literally everyone was blowing me up once this was released online, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta have it. Trevor, dude, you are freaking awesome, man. But here we go. This is what I thought he was sending, because that box wasn't that heavy. This was the only thing I thought he was sending. And here we go, guys. The DeLorean monster truck. Look at this beauty. Look at that, guys. Really good detail on this thing, and I love the finish. That is a raw finish, which I'm glad they did. I'm excited that they didn't use a silver paint. So the fact that they went raw with it, perfect choice. Really good details all over that thing. And then of course you do have the nice chrome monster truck bead locks. Dude, stoked for this. Even more stoked over this 2-pack. I am so glad nothing bad happened to this box when it flew out that trailer. And out of all boxes too, I was like, oh, I haven't even opened his up yet, and the box goes flying off the highway. Now, off to what I picked up. I don't think I showed a couple of these. Maybe I did. But we got some Tomicas. Check this out. I do have one of these customs that was sent in this burnt orange, but definitely wanted to get another one just for the factory version of it. But there we go. Nice burnt orange R35 straight out of Tomica. So in Arizona, we never saw the cool Tomicas. It was always the French fry truck. And then this one right here I picked up, the Lexus ISF CCSR. It's a really nice pearlescent orange. Not a fan of the wheels. I was kind of hesitant on the casting, but my buddy does love Lexus, so I wanted to see if he needed it or wanted it. I'd send it his way. If he didn't, I'm just going to open it up and have it in the display. So this was another cool one. But the next one I thought was even sweeter. Check this out, guys. You got the Japanese police deco GTR in black and white. Look at that. Now, I wish they would have chose some better wheels. Tomica really doesn't use the best. But you still have some nice headlight and taillight details for what it is. But of course, I love the Japanese style police liveries. The white and black just looks really cool. Of course, we've seen the 300ZX out of Hot Wheels, the Datsun, or maybe it was the Nissan. I can't remember which one it is. Love the liveries though, but check this out. Another awesome Tomica to throw in the collection. Then here we go, guys. These were all recolors I was dying to get in the collection. We have another Ragin' Express recolor and new deco for the side panel. This blue dragon going across the side with the chrome finish. Absolutely loving what Ryu Asada did with this one. I have all three variations so far. I think it's a super cool casting. I love that it has a blue chrome to it. So the first ones were just traditional chrome with the pink tampos and deco, but here we go, guys. Another awesome art car for Ryu Asada. Another one is a recolor of the Nissan Leaf. I think this one looks really good in the black and red. You got the black PR5s. It's out of the Hot Wheels Green Speed. And then, of course, I'm kind of disappointed in the fact they don't have the grille details or any headlights. It's really, really plain. They only paid attention. They only put effort on the side deco, which I wish they could have done a little bit more with. But another recolor of a cool casting. Next one is also a recolor I did not have yet. Now these are all C case cars. Everyone's already on F, but here in South Dakota, this is fresh for us. But there we go, guys. The Borla livery 2019 Trail Boss. Look at this. Another super cool Baja Blazers. You have the off-road 6 spokes. So traditionally, I was calling those aggressive off-road wheels, but you have the bead locks, and then these are considered 6-spoke off-road. So they're awesome Chevy Silverado to throw in the collection with this big lift kit. Next one is the Toyota Land Cruiser. Definitely loving the recolor, but not loving the wheels. I really wish they just did away with these wheels. I think the gold and brown wasn't a good mixture, but I get what they're trying to do. They're just trying to make the off-road look. But check out the livery, guys. You got the Page RS. I'm pretty sure that's the daughter of the designer. I've heard it in a couple videos, but look at the detail of the front. Got the nice headlight and grille detail. This is out of the Mud Stud, so I think it's a new series for this year. And then, of course, no taillight tampos, but definitely loving the deco. Next one is the popular 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This is number 2. My coworker actually wanted one. He doesn't collect Hot Wheels, but he does have a few Toyota Tacomas he drives and uses for off-road. So wanted to pick him one up as well. But there we go. We got number 2. Next one, we have another Ford GT40 in the Gulf livery. You saw that Rich actually picked me up one, and I definitely wanted to get my hands on another. Next one is the van, guys. This is not the Super, but I did still absolutely want this casting. Look at that purple. God, that looks so good. The purple and light blue window was a perfect color choice. The tampos on the side are perfect. Love the Hot Wheels Cartco. I think it's super cool. Every time I see it, I think of Kmart for some reason. My eyes just swap letters and I'm like, oh, Kmart car. But look at that. It is done nicely on the front end. Of course, the color choice is perfect, in my opinion. And there we go. Another awesome recolor from Reused Rides. Next up is the Acura Integra GSR in this beautiful dark metallic green. And you guys already know I'm always gonna highlight a metallic flake that just really captures my eye. And look at that. Super clean color choice. You do have the nice taillight decos, the PR5s, and of course the parts list right there on the door in silver. But another beautiful Integra to throw in the collection of Integras. And man, I can't wait to get my setup finished for you guys so I can have all these out. And right here, guys, I was wanting this one so bad. Just off of the recolor, the yellow with the red interior is my favorite setup, besides white with red. Look at this, guys. I think this one is so much better than the blue. You have the nice taillight details, and of course the black 10 spokes is an awesome choice. But look at that recolor, man. That just looks really good. I think that is probably one of the coolest color setups for the Bugatti, the yellow and red. And of course, I had to pick up two. Next up is a new recolor of the Ford Bronco, the custom Bronco right here. You have the nice red enamel, purple roll cage, black interior, and of course, they threw on the mud bead locks. At least the bead locks on this one are black and not gold. But here we go. We have another one to throw in the collection. I do have a lot of variations of these. I also sent a lot of variations out in a trade for someone who was really collecting the Broncos. I was like, you know what? There's a lot of them out there. I'm not going to be able to catch them all. But I'm going to try to have at least a few in the collection because I do think they are super cool. But another one out of Baja Blazers for 2022's recolor. Next one is the Mazda RX-7 in this beautiful blue. And you have the ghosted stripe Tampa work on the side, chrome MC5s. This is out of the Hot Wheels J import. So I do have a lot of these RX-7s in the collection as well. You guys know if I have it, I'm going to pick it up because it's a recolor. And then here we go. We have another 2021 Ford Bronco recolor. Loving this light bluish silver metallic. And then of course they threw on these wheels again. Hot Wheels, please leave normal bead locks and get rid of these tires. But the one thing I do like about this particular color is it's a little bit more realistic to mud. And then I do like how it has a little beadlock paint error because it kind of gives the look of mud over the rim as well. So cool little touch. It kind of works with this one. But yeah, another mud studs casting. Last and definitely not least, I did pick up the Bronco R. A lot of people are not a fan of this. I think it's super cool. Love this mint color. Looks really good with the off-road 6 spokes. And then the detail of it with the red R on the front is just a really nice touch. But it's an awesome casting. I think it's really cool. A lot of people are going to leave this on the pegs. I really do want the Corvette and the Chevelle. Not really looking to pick up the Hellcat. I seen it there, I left it. And I seen the Tesla and left it as well. So there we go, guys. That is what we picked up. Fresh for the collection. But here we go, guys. New C-Case 2022 recolors and castings for the collection. This awesome freaking DeLorean from Back to the Future as the monster truck is just an awesome release, and I think they did a good job doing it. And then of course you cannot forget the RTR 2-pack right here, guys. Freaking beautiful. So Trevor, my man, again, thank you so much, dude. You did not have to do that, but I am stoked that you did. And I know my daughter's going to be stoked that you threw these in there for her. So I will definitely give these to her so she can play with them. But there we go, guys. That is all we got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, comment down below your thoughts. And if you agree with what I mentioned over the Bugatti and the wheels, of course, just comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the updated man cave. Hopefully we can go live this weekend. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.